blizzard, and the car traction control just went off. Steering's kind of weird right now. These messages showed up on my screen. Regenerative braking reduced. The ABS is non-functioning. The brakes have almost locked up already. You see that ABS light? It looks like the car has turned itself off. Stability control is off. I've tried turning it back on there and it's not working. All the safety controls are off, and it's whiteout conditions with nowhere safe to pull off.